This is the enlarging machine. It's called a Robert Payne Enlarging Machine. It works by this principle. Through these two spindles, as you can see, if I turn this one will turn also. They are connected overhead by two sprockets and a chain. So if I turn one, this stand here with the model will turn accordingly. If you would draw a line through the center of this axis here, and the center of this one, and go to the point over here on this line, and see that as one arm of a triangle. The second side of the triangle is this pipe over here. It comes to exactly where this pivot is. That is the point of the triangle. So this arm forms the second side to that triangle. And then this pointer here, that's mounted to this pointing arm, forms the third part of the triangle. So there's a small triangle here going from this point up to the pointer, and then from that pivot down the center of these two spindles. And so there's a small triangle here and a similar triangle through this axis along the pointing arm and then along that pointer. So the principle is two similar triangles. So, but the shape of the triangle can be changed to take different points on this model. So, I will demonstrate by adjusting the pointing arm to take a reading from this mounted specimen here, and that will show me how I need to build the armature. As you see, I've already built most of the shape of the bird, but just to demonstrate how the machine works. By a couple of winches here, if I turn this winch here, as you can see, this pointer now is pointing to near the top of this wing. And this one is completely adjustable. So I can move it away, I can twist it up to take a point on the neck or on the abdomen here. So wherever I wish to take the point, I can take a reading. If I want to take it on the other side, I would simply turn the two models and they turn together. So that way I can go all around the bird and I will just show how it works. So as you can see, I can take points any place on this bird and transfer them to the construction over here, the sculpture. On the other side, I installed a piece of metal here. That is the armature for the wing. Now to do this side, I will just show roughly the process that I will go through and bring my working platform over here. What I will do now is to show the process I go through when I'm working here. So I will go get a piece of metal that I need here for the armature for the wing, and proceed from there. So as I mentioned before, this pointer here now tells me where that point, the corresponding point on the eagle over there is. So my armature, this is to provide extra strength for the wing structure, because this wire frame here is a little bit light, and I'd like to be rather too strong than not strong enough. So this piece of pipe here that I'm bending to, I need to bend it the appropriate contour to fit over the body. I have already bent it before. As you can see, there's a slight curve in it. So it will do